everyone, it's CasesWhich back with another video from CFL-TECH, and we're looking at the Pixel 8 Pro official case from Google. It just arrived, and this is in the bay color, just like the phone's color, so it's going to match pretty much exactly as it should, or very close. And there's the beautiful Pixel 8 Pro in the bay color, B-A-Y, and that's like a blue, a light blue, pastel blue. Looks really nice with this chrome finish here as well around the camera hump here, so really nice. And the chrome on the side, aluminum on the side, which looks like a chrome look. And same thing on this side and on the bottom. So there you go. Flat display is really nice. A lot of people have been wanting one, and here you have one now finally in the Pixel device. So that's great. They got rid of the curved edge. A lot of people don't like those, especially when you put a case on. It kind of is annoying how the curve goes around the inside the case wall, so the little gap there. So this should remedy that. This should hug the sides better as well with the case. So let's go ahead and get this case on. Now we did open this up, and like the magic, we already have it out of the box, and we did unwrap it earlier, so save a little time. And there you have it. There's the bay color, very nice looking, and it's not slick. So this part's really nice that it's not slick, where the Pixel 7 Pro, we had a problem with that. And this in here is like a felt finish, kind of interesting, like a little rug, or maybe it's a little cushion for your device, so a little love there. But the walls feel about a 7 or 8 on the thickness or push factor. The CFL-TECH rating of about a 7 or an 8, pretty close to that. Very firm, really nice, and looks like the protection in the corners, about the typical Pixel case. Does say Pixel inside. Doesn't say Pixel 8 though, or 8 Pro. So that's interesting to just put Pixel, but they did what they did. Let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. And there you have it. So it's on. It just looks like the phone without a case almost. Really nice. And this, leaves there's a little bit of a protection here around the camera hump, so it doesn't touch. If you put it flush on the table, this will leave a little bit of a millimeter, two millimeters maybe, of space, and that will keep your the camera hump protected. And side buttons sound really good and tactile. So got the camera open here, turn that off, and there's your port lineup, your speakers and USB-C, so no problems there, and your microphone, all that. So all that looks good, perfectly lined up as expected. And this looks nice. Now on the side, you're getting about the typical protection. So, it's gonna do the job, just like most cases these days. If you fall the wrong way, there's no guarantee. But overall, a lot of these cases now on the market do a pretty good job for the typical fall, drop. You're walking get out of your car, and it slipped out of your hand or whatever, and you stuff in your hand and the phone falls out. Most cases will do fine. I don't see any difference with this one, but this is a really nice case. It's around $30 right now from the Google store. I think it's the only spot it's available in the beginning. Eventually it'll probably land at Amazon at some point. It takes a while sometimes, but very nice case. And you could get this at the Google store. Like I said, we'll link it down below if you want to check it out. So this is it. This is the official case. Looks really nice. Looks like the bay color as it should look like, and very nice. So good job, Google, on this. Again, we'll link this down below. Hopefully this helps you make a decision on a case. We have another video up recently as well on the Ringke case, Fusion crystal clear case, which is really nice as well. So check out that video. So if you got a new Pixel 8 Pro, come here, check out our videos on the cases so you can protect that new shiny device and keep it looking good for those 7 years of updates that Google is promising, which is a new first, so that's also cool. So we'll see who keeps their device for 7 years. That'll be a challenge to everybody out there. So if you can keep your device for 7 years, we will know if Google will stay good on their word. So we hope they do, but it'll be interesting who keeps their device for 7 years these days, because there's so many changes. But there you go. Hope you like this video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. CasesWhich checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care, everybody.